Okay, now let's start. Programming mode. See, basically there are three modes of Fuji Electric. First mode is normal running mode. Second mode is programming mode. The third mode comes to the alarm mode. See, whenever there is an alarm, after solving the exact problem, we have to click on the stop button, then reset, program reset. Alarm will be over. The second condition comes to the drive is running. You want to see some parameters like current consumption, power, and incoming voltage, PID value, frequency. You can do this by using the second mode. Like the first mode, basically, that is normal mode, running mode. Right now, see, this is the normal mode of the drive. That is called running mode. Okay. Yes, now buttons are clearly visible, like program, function. Okay, see, this is the normal mode. In order to see the running condition data, we have to press on the function data. Current consumption, power, voltage, PID value, and some other values. Back to normal. This is the normal frequency. See, now we comes to another mode, that is programming mode. Programming mode is used for basically two purposes. Purpose one is to change the parameters or change the value of parameters, or to see the exact value of parameters. See, this starts by pressing program. You reach to the particular segment like 1E, 1C, 1P. Suppose let us take 1C. We have to enter. See, now this function button act as enter button, and program reset in this condition now act as escape button. So 1C, enter. The value of C01 is 0. Now you can change the value C01 to 01. It will say save. C01, again you have to change the value to 0 because it was. So basically, what is happening here, we are using program or reset mode. Now this will escape. This is normal condition frequency. In order to enter programming mode, press program mode. Now by using the up and down, reach to the particular parameter. Now under the parameter, click on enter, that is function. Subparameter up and down, and enter to see its exact value. Program to see back normal condition. This is all. Thank you.